Hello and welcome back. Let's learn how to solve this problem. We are given an event facility has a banquet hall that can hold up to 250 people. The price for a party includes the cost of the room rental plus the cost of a meal for each guest. Marissa is planning an event for 75 people. She has budgeted $1,200 for the party. Will it be enough? Okay, well, let's have a closer look at this graph that we're given. The x-axis here represents the number of guests. So 0 guests, 50 guests, 100 guests, and so on. And then the y-axis here represents the total cost for the party. So $0, $500, $1,000, and so on. The way that we would interpret a point here, which is 50, 725, is 50 guests would cost a total of $725. Similarly here, this 100, 1325 means 100 guests would cost $1,325. Marissa is planning her event for 75 people. So 75 would be here for number of guests. And she's budgeted $1,200 for the party. Will it be enough is asking, is that the amount it would cost for 75 people? Is it less than that amount? Is it more than that amount? How can we find that? Well, we can actually use point slope form here. First, let's find the slope of the line that passes through these 2 points. We can use our slope form. So m is equal to the change in y divided by the change in x. If I want to label my points, let's say this is the first one and this is the second one, and then I substitute. So I would have 1325 minus 725 divided by 100 minus 50. So 1325 minus 725 is 600 divided by 50, which gives us a 12. 12 in the context of this problem means the cost per guest for their meal. Okay, well, point slope form, recall, point slope form is y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times the quantity x minus x sub 1, where the x sub 1 and the y sub 1 correspond to some given point. However, this x and this y correspond to any other point that's also on the graph of the line. So we can use that to determine whether 1,200 for y is enough. Let me show you. So if we substitute first one of our given points, let's pick this one. We would have y minus 725 is equal to 12 times x minus 50. I also substituted my slope here. Now, if I wanted to know what is the y value when its x value is 75, then I would substitute 75 here, and I solve for y. So I'd have y minus 725 is equal to 12 times 75 minus 50. So let's simplify. That would mean 12 times 25. 12 times 25 is 300. Let's bring down my y minus 725. If I want to isolate y, I do plus 725 on both sides. Oops. And then I have y is equal to, well, what's 300 plus 725? 1025. So that means the total cost for 75 guests will be $1,025. So her budget of $1,200, yes, it is enough. And we're done.